It is not like that understanding the art is very difficult. Example is the portrait which I'm drawing with the help of the pencil, the single tone, the single color, the single graphite. I am making the portrait. The depth of the darkness and light. That is the basic thing which we need to utilize while making the portrait. There is not big difference between portrait and abstraction. The portrait is the visual which we see, and with the difference of the depth of life we carve it on paper. Abstraction is something which we can imagine throughout the world, or maybe through our senses, which is not visible, but surely it can survive. That is the abstract. The portrait which we draw, that is simply a visual. What we see, that we incorporate, and we put all the stuffs on the paper to bring the face in front of the viewers. In this tutorial, all the things are clearly visible. How the shades of pencil with the control of the pressure of the hand is being done on the paper. A few lines, a few smudging, a few strokes, that's all. That is all enough to make a portrait. Provided we need to keep in the mind the ratio of lightness and darkness, the ratio of the different parts of the face. That is the all. And while drawing this face, I thought to put something imaginary, which is obviously not the abstract, but something which we can always use as an artist. That is the art, that we do something with the given thing which make everything beautiful. So I've drawn few flowers, few petals, and something so called shade. And with that all dark and light of the effects, the portrait is ready to be viewed. Thank you for watching and understanding how a simple color of the pencil can create a face, a portrait. Hope everybody will like it. Thank you very much.